Ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loomso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Kinongilam jong kinonghikai school SSA kibidan hapo kashatri jong Meghalaya SSA School Association kila takranting ayo menteri rangba jong ka sarkar jilla Conrad Sangma halor ka jingkam ba ka sarkar jilla kamla asatya ban penkha yaki post ki batmai nagabenta ban penrong yi kinonghikai school SSA kum kinonghikai school sarkar Haga jingya keren bat kilat pathai khubor u presiden jong kaseng uba Aristotle Rembai ula ong baka jingkren jong menteri rangba syakilat pathai khubor dangshen kapenpau ba umshim la pule benya yaki kindon kibala kedaushai hapo ka Right to Education Act arajar kendai
sa sisin nge lom lang biang kumne hapo ka syatri jong ka association ban penpau ya kataka kimat ya kibau Menteri Rangba Badan Burom jungi sa Conrad Kongkel Sangma ya ke bawah ulah ya ke press brief haga katnyau tarik November arajar arpuwe. Berkata kalong ke point number 1 wong ba ke SSA program kadai ke program ya ke belastang da ke central government but kamdon ke ru ke jinya day hakabai day but ke regularization da ke sarkar Meghalaya lani ke education department jong ke sarkar Meghalaya. Tengina kaliang ke association ni susngo ban penpau kumne ba ka jingkren jong UCM haka tu kesengi kalong ke babaklah. Bahawat kade ke kane ke flagship lani ke SSA program ya ka lasdang da ke central government. Halor ki norms ya kiba ngila ban yo lut parakhoj na ka RTE Act 2009 te Henry ka balingo apat hapo ka RTE Act halor bala dep lut ban pruit dak ya kitiki norms ba UCM jongi unai ya kini ki kentin ka balong bet ka kentin ka ba ai shock ya kino hikai jongi borok ka we ke jelas Nomor babalay ngina kalian kinong hikay iwe haman laki school haman laki managing committee ngidon ya ki RTE Act ya kabala ay da ka office jong district subdivisional education department mo SDSEO na ka office jong SDSEO te halor kane ba habang ipet ha ya ka jingkren jong isa ha ka sengi Kalalong tik kumba hadian jong kaneka ayom hau ahajar arpunriu kumbangila ya cekmat na kirali lane kumbangila ya kren cekmat imat ba hangneru ka government imat kalamut banbu sideline ni suki-suki tikal bu jingma hakabayde batni kinong hikai SSA borokaway hapo kajala te ka RTE Act ka krensyai bayangi lade bantung on regular basis kat kum ki norms ki bala pruit dak plan nang tu te ka ka basngu pla bat ka basngu pher pade banyu sngu ye kini ki kentin na i CM Badan Burom jungi jong ka sarkar Meghalaya ha ka jing sisyangi kum kinong hikai hangni dak ka burom ya kini kinong kini kirusyam pang jong kanika jela Meghalaya jongi kum kinong mikmat ba ngijit yaki haman liki constituency ba maki kin tem yaki jing jongi kinong hikai Henry hakum kanika kep ka bangiyo i pade ngiyo i ba nakapor hakabede bat kinong hikai school SA kador kanang hian bat mentala bu hatmi tengah chusngude ban kerpat ya ka sarkar Meghalaya MDA government ya baro anri pongot ki MLA snubha stick ya ka RTE Act bat pule ka kren ayu ka RTE Act habalawan ra ya ka ha kani kejela Meghalaya juni hau arajar sang nadang makla masa te bat hang tu kin salap lut shwa bakin ai ha ki press release namar ngi kinong hikairu ngitip ka e kita ka ati ya bat ki kum kinong mi khmat ro da ka baburom nya ki ngi ngech scam baki tip te haba kin pelat haki social media kanjin dal ba bakin dapat ba namar ba kakta yangi kinong hikai bat ka paushai haki jingkren jongki kamut ba makikin bu yangi sharut.
So regarding this statement of the Honorable Chief Minister, I just want to clarify or to justify as per the SSA norms. Number one, as per the framework and guidelines of Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan, in Chapter 5, Para 5.8, Chapter 5, Para 5.8a, it's clearly stated that the recruitment and other service matter of teachers are under the domain of state's government, and the central government is only to provide financial support as per the scheme's norm. Here, as per this para, it is clearly mentioned that it is the duty of the state government regarding the recruitment and the service matter of the SSA teachers. Added to this, it is also mentioned that there will be no separate teachers as sanctioned by the state. Rather, all teachers are ultimately the responsibility of the state government. Again, this also have made very clear that the teachers who appoint under SSA is totally the responsibility of the state government, whereas the central government is the duty of the central government is to only to provide financial support as per available fund, that is also as per the scheme's norm. Added to this, in Para 4, okay, in Para 4, serial number 20 of the guidelines and framework of Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan, it's clearly stated there will be teachers will be recruited as per the terms and condition of the respective states, and salary structure will be determined by the state norm for salary. Here also it is clearly mentioned in this Para 4, serial number 20, it is clearly mentioned teachers will be recruited as per the terms and condition of the respective states. And also it's added the salary structure will be determined by the state norms for salary. So according to this norm, there is no such things which mentioned as per the statement of the Honorable Chief Minister. So we from the association side, after seeing the statement of the Honorable Chief Minister on 17 November 2021, last Saturday we have called an emergency GEC, and in that GEC we have taken a resolution that we totally oppose and strongly oppose the statement made by the Honorable Education Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, because this statement is baseless and it is not based on facts and figure. Okay. Added to that, we cannot, and his statement is not acceptable by us.